Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your files in pCloud step by step. Whether you want to secure important documents, photos, or even your entire computer, pCloud makes it really simple. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to pCloud.com. Log in with your account. If you don't have one yet, just sign up. You get free storage to start and you can upgrade later if needed. Example, I have login and here is my main dashboard where I can see all my files and folders. Now choose backup option. Now pCloud gives you two main ways to backup files: automatic backup from your computer or phone, and second, manual upload of selected files. If you want full protection, I recommend setting up automatic backup. This way, everything you put in a specific folder gets synced to pCloud instantly. Now step 3, setting up automatic backup. To do this, download the pCloud Drive app on your computer. Once installed, open the app, click on backup, select the folders you want to backup, for example, documents, pictures, or desktop. Click start backup. From now on, pCloud will automatically sync changes. If you add a new file to that folder, it uploads instantly to the cloud. Example, I have selected my documents folder now. Every Word file or PDF and there is automatically saved to pCloud. Step 4, manual upload. If you don't want full folder backup, you can also upload files manually. Just click the blue upload button on the web dashboard, select your files or drag and drop them. Example, I uploaded a single video file. It is now saved in my pCloud account and I can access it from my phone or another computer anytime. Don't forget your phone, install the pCloud app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open it, go to setting, automatic upload, turn it on, and pCloud will back up all your photos and videos in real time. Example, I just took a photo and within seconds it appears in my pCloud account automatically. Backing up is only half the story. What if you need to restore files? Simply log into your pCloud account, find the file you need and download it back to your device. Example, if my laptop crashes, I can log in from another device and quickly restore my important files. And that's it. Backing up files in pCloud is really that simple. You can choose automatic backup, manual uploads, or even mobile syncs. This way, your data stays safe and always accessible. If you found this helpful, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.